Good morning, everyone. My name is Pulkit Bansal, and I am an MBA Finance student from UPS. In this video, I will be explaining the job role of a financial analyst in financial planning and analysis, commonly known as FP&A. This is one of the most important and in-demand roles in the field of corporate finance because it connects financial data with business decision making. Every company with a smaller approach needs professionals who can understand numbers, analyze performances, and helps management plan for the future. This is exactly where an FP&A financial analyst plays a key role. What is actually an FP&A and what does a financial analyst do? FP&A stands for Financial Planning and Analysis. The main objective of this department is to help the organization plan its finances, monitor performance, and guides future strategies based on financial insights. And financial analyst in this particular department does not prepare just reports. Instead, they acted as a bridge between raw financial data and strategic decisions to be taken by the top management. Roles and responsibilities when it comes to financial analyst, the first major responsibility is budget preparation. At the beginning of the financial year, the financial analyst works with different departments such as sales, marketing, HR, operations to prepare a detailed budget. This includes estimating expected revenues, costs, as well as expenses. The second responsibility is financial forecasting. Forecasting what means predicting future financial performances based on past data and current trends. This helps the company prepare for future opportunities and risks. Another very important task is variance analysis. Here, the companies actually compares the financial performance that is being recorded actually with the budgeted numbers. If there's a difference, they analyze the reasons behind it. For example, if expenses are higher than expected, they identify where the extra cost occurred and what was the reason for that particular thing. Financial analysts are also responsible for preparing management information system, or simply known as MIS reports. These reports presents financial data in a simplified manner for top management so that they can quickly understand the company's financial health. They also perform cost control and profitability analysis. This means identifying areas where the company is overspending and suggesting ways to reduce cost without affecting productivity. Another key responsibility is supporting strategic decisions. Before launching a new product, entering a new market, or making a big investment, management relies on the FP&A team to check the financial feasibility. They also monitor cash flows, working capital, and financial ratios to ensure the company remains financially stable. To perform all these tasks, there are certain skills which are very required. First, a financial analyst must have strong knowledge of financial statements, profit and loss statements, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Secondly, they must be excellent in advanced Excel because most of the budgeting, forecasting, and analysis is done using Excel functions, pivot tables, and formulas. Knowledge of financial modeling is essential to predict future performance. Without it, you can't be sure of making a financial analyst. In modern companies, knowledge of Power BI, Tableau, or any data visualization tool is an added advantage because it helps present data in graphical form. Apart from technical skills, analytical thinking, attention to detail, problem solving ability, communication skills, these are also some very important skills which are needed for a good financial analyst because the analyst must be able to explain complex financial information in simple terms to non finance managers. The career path in financial planning and analysis is very promising. A person usually starts as a financial analyst, then goes on to become a senior financial analyst, followed by a finance manager, then financial planning and analysis head, and eventually one can reach up to the position of chief financial officer, which is one of the key figures in any company. This role exists in almost every company. So the job opportunities are also very wide. The companies like Deloitte, EY, KPMG, Amazon, Infosys, Tata Group, Wipro, and there are multiple multinational corporations that regularly hire for financial planning and analysis roles. To conclude, the role of financial analyst in financial planning analysis is extremely important because it helps organizations plan control and improve their financial performances. It is a perfect role for MBA finance students who enjoy working with numbers, analysis, and business strategy and likes to make numbers their friends. So, with this, I would be concluding my video. Thank you so much for watching this video.